In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Brave Browser open Google on a new tab. Without any further ado, let's get started. If you want a faster and more convenient browsing experience, setting Google to open whenever you create a new tab in Brave can save you time and make searching much easier. Instead of seeing the default New Tab page, you can configure your browser so that Google loads instantly, giving you direct access to search and online services as soon as you open a tab. To begin, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it has fully launched, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can control how Brave behaves and customize your browsing experience. Inside the Settings panel, locate the section labeled New Tab Page Shows. Next to it, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and choose the option labeled Home Page. This step is important because it changes what Brave displays whenever you open a new tab, allowing it to use your home page instead of the default Start page. Now move to the left-hand panel within the Settings window. You will see a list of different categories. From this list, click on Appearance. This section allows you to manage how your browser looks and interacts with you visually, including interface elements and navigation features. Within the Appearance settings, look for the option labeled Show Home button. Turn this option on by toggling the switch. Enabling the Home button is essential because it not only gives you quick access to your home page, but it also unlocks the ability to set a custom web page as your default home destination. Once enabled, a field will appear where you can enter a web address. In this field, type google.com. This sets Google as your home page, meaning that whenever you use the Home function or open a new tab configured this way, Google will load automatically, giving you immediate access to search without any extra steps. After applying these changes, your Brave browser will now be configured to open Google whenever you access a new tab through your customized settings. This creates a smoother and more efficient browsing experience tailored to your preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell